The holiday cards you received this year should never be stored in your home. In this video, I'm going to explain why. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my holiday organizing series where since the day after Thanksgiving I have been trying to upload a holiday organizing tip each and every day to hopefully help make this holiday season a little more organized for you. Now in this video I am going to talk about the holiday cards you've received this year. Now I know they can be a huge sentimental draw for a lot of us, and that is fine. I really do understand that. But if you're planning on just grouping them up and storing them in a box, that is not how you honor the memories they represent. Because if your holiday cards are truly as special as you are claiming they are, they should be out on display where you can enjoy them daily. So if you're struggling with trying to decide whether you should keep or toss a holiday card, I want you to ask yourself one question. Why do I need to keep this card? Because the answer to that question will help you decide whether you should keep it or whether it can be tossed. Now, as a professional organizer, I can tell you I have been in countless homes where there are boxes and boxes of old holiday cards. And there are three top reasons that people give me for keeping those holiday cards. Number one is they often want to keep those cards for reference purposes. And what I mean by that is that there's information on those cards that they want to make sure they remember in the future. But instead of keeping the entire card for that information, I suggest just keeping it on a piece of paper. Now this is actually one of the templates you'll find out of the 55 pages of organizing templates that you'll find in my downloadable PDF. Again, the link is down below. I've been talking about it all holiday season. But this is basically used for your name and addresses, and then to check off whether you have sent it and whether you have received it. Now when I find information on a card that I want to remember in the future, I simply put a little check or a star by that name, and on the back I'll put update. So-and-so got married, this is the spouse's name, I'll put whatever additional information I need there, okay? And then I have the information, I can let the card go. Because storing this is a lot easier than a stack of cards. The second reason I hear a lot with clients is that they want to keep their holiday cards because there's a photo on it. And I will be the first one to admit I understand about photos. I absolutely love when I get photos in my holiday cards. But if you really do cherish that photo that's in the holiday card, take the time to put it in a frame, hang it on a wall, or have it nicely displayed on a shelf. You want to surround yourself with those photos, not store them away in some dark corner of your closet. And then the third reason I hear all the time is the sentimental reason that I might want to look back on this card someday. And if I'm going to be honest with you, when I have come across these boxes of cards with my clients and I've asked them when was the last time they opened up that box to look at it, 9 times out of 10, they haven't looked at it at all, and it has been years and years. But if you are truly determined to keep those holiday cards because of sentimental reasons, I would suggest punching a little hole in the corner and taking a little key ring like that, then hang them on a command hook somewhere. At least they're where you can see them daily. Do not put them in a box, and do not shove them into some dark corner of your house. So you might be asking yourself, well, what do I do with all these cards if I really just can't part with them because of these sentimental reasons? And I don't want them hanging on hooks all over my house. The answer is simple. Take a photo of them. Do you remember that old saying, take a picture, it'll last longer? It does. Once you take a photo of it, you can store it digitally. Simply create a folder on your desktop and maybe call it holiday cards. And inside that folder, you can actually break it down into the years you received those holiday cards. It's a super fast, super easy way to keep the memory and let go of the cards. Now, for those of you who want a more tangible way to hold on to the memories in your holiday cards, you could create a document like this. You still take photos of your holiday cards. And what I've done on this document is I've taken a photo of the front of the card, then I take a photo of the inside of the card, and then over here I place any updates to their address, any updates, somebody got married, had a child, I put all the updates over here. All neat and tidy on one page, and as you can see, I fit 4 different cards on this page. If you printed double-sided, you would get 8 cards to 1 page. Now I know you're asking, but then what do I do with the page, Pam? Thank you for asking. I'll show you. You can create a binder like this one. Depending on how many cards you receive, you can either use, this is a 1/2-inch binder, you can use a 2-3-inch binder if you get hundreds of cards every year. But it'll be a lot smaller and a lot more manageable in a binder. And so what I simply do is I use a sheet protector inside. Just slide the sheet on in. You can even add divider pages, and you can divide them by years, or you can divide it by, here's all my family cards, here's all my friend cards, here's all my acquaintances cards, whatever. You can set it up just like you like it. Maybe print out a fun cover sheet, and then just store it on the shelf. It's like a book you can take out and read all the loving thoughts in it any time of the year. So if you try one of these ideas in this video, you can ditch the holiday cards, yet preserve the memories. So if you'd like to be able to use this template along with like over 50 other ones that I've created in my holiday binder, I'll leave the link to my downloadable PDF below. Go check it out. It's really easy to get.
Okay, so all you need to do is basically just look below my video to the description box. It's right here below my video. And you just click on the Show More, and then it'll say to purchase my holiday downloadable PDF right there. And you just simply click on the link right next to it. That'll take you to this page. It's the Pay page. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see a Pay with PayPal. Just click on that button. That'll take you to this page. Now, if you have a PayPal account, you can just put in your email up here. Otherwise, you can create an account down below here. Then just add in your email and then press Continue to Payment. That'll take you to this page. Now, I blocked out some of my personal information, but you go to where it says Add Debit or Credit Card, click there, add in your payment information, and then press Pay Now. That'll bring you to this page where you can see it says Holiday Binder Organizer AZ911. Here's the download button. You just click on that download button right there, and there is my PDF. You can either print it up right away or save it to your desktop and print it up later.
Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. Be sure to check back tomorrow because I'm going to be talking about how to start organizing all those holiday decorations before you start storing them. So be sure to check back for that. And if you've missed any of my previous videos, just click on the iCard up there and it'll take you to the entire playlist. Even the tips I uploaded before the holidays will help you get organized even more so now. Take care and I'll see you tomorrow.